at home, and what we're doing in class today is we're comparing numbers using a greater than sign, a less than sign, an equal to sign. But before we start comparing, the class is going to come up with their own numbers to the 1,000ths place, and I'm going to come up with my number to the 1,000ths place, and they're going to try to get a number greater than mine. So friends, at home you can get a piece of scratch paper and you can play this too. I'm going to roll the dice, and then you're going to put that number wherever you want on the place value chart, trying to make your number bigger than mine. Okay? So we're going to go make our place value charts to the 1,000ths. And the first digit you need to plug in is a 3. Put a 3 where you think you should put it to get a greater number than mine. And I'm going to write down my number on a piece of scratch paper.
Don't give it to.
Let's,
It means
okay, next number or digit is going to be a 6. Put it where you think it should go. Remember, it only goes to the 1,000ths. So we only have 2 rolls left. A 2. And the very last digit, you should only have 1 place left. Whatever I roll right now, you have to put there. So I shouldn't see any erasing. Alright, a 4 has to go in your last place. I'm going to show you the number I have. And I think the number I have is the largest possible number you could have gotten. But if you think you have something bigger than mine or equal to mine, just raise your hand. Alright, I have 6,432. Who got lucky and had that same number? Aria has that number. Ellie has that number. Beverly has that number. Who accidentally made a mistake? Not a mistake. Who got unlucky and put a 3 in the hundreds? Who got something less than me? Alright, so Bo, you have 6,340. It should have been a 2. 42. So why is my number greater than Bo's? Carmela?
It's because you have a 4 in the hundred.
I have a 4 in the hundreds, and he only has a 3. So when we're comparing numbers, where do we need to put the bigger numbers in order to have a bigger number, class?
In the higher place.
Higher place, in the largest place. So, would I start comparing numbers by looking at the ones or the biggest place?
Biggest place.
Biggest place. I wouldn't look at the 2s and then the 10s. We're going to get bigger numbers by putting our bigger numbers in the biggest places. We're going to play one more round, and then we're going to do some of these in our journals. Alright, so friends at home, you'll also make your place value chart to the 1,000th place again. Alright, here we go. The first digit is going to be a 3. Plug it in where you think it should go. I'm going to plug mine in. You could either get lucky or a little unlucky. I'll have another roll. Y'all ready?
Yes.
Oh, 1. Hopefully you didn't put anything in your 1 spot already. That one's pretty small. Ready? Come on, give me something big. Oh no!
1.
Hopefully Hopefully we get something bigger this next time, because Miss Schaefer's isn't looking too big right now.
Mine either. Not mine.
Alright, last roll. A 5.
Five?
Alright,
No, I got a
I'm
big
gonna
one.
show you what I got. If yours is bigger than mine, please raise your hand. I have 5,131.
Hey, I got that number.
You have what I have, so that would be an equal to sign. Aria has 5,311. Class, what makes her number bigger than my number, Miranda?
She has a 3 and a 100, and you have a 3 and your 10.
Okay. I only have a 3 in my tens, and she has a 3 in her hundreds, but I'm going to go from hundreds to hundreds. What else? What do I have in my hundreds? A 1. So she has 3 groups of 100, and I only have 1 group of 100. The thousands doesn't help me because they are the same. So I go to the next biggest. And if the hundreds were the same, I would go to the next biggest. You have to work your way down from biggest to smallest. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to work in our journal page for a minute. You don't need your marker, you don't need your eraser or your whiteboard, but we are going to do another round on this paper in just a minute. So let's get ready to put this in our journal page. Alright, on our table of contents, we're going to write comparing numbers. Friends at home, this journal page is going to be on the next slide. So you can fill this in with us after you watch this video. Or you can pause and play the game with us again one more time and then come back to the video if you want to pause it. You only need glue. We're going to glue this down. We don't need to cut it. It's already cut pretty small for you. So go ahead and glue it down. And we're going to be kind of quick because our friends at home probably don't want to waste a bunch of time just watching us glue a paper down. Oh, you know what? Actually, I'm going to pause right here and we're going to watch the a brain pop video to review our comparing symbols. So friends at home, I'm going to post this video and then I'll come back and post another video in just a little bit after we watch our video. The video to the brain pop that we're going to watch is also on the slides for y'all as well.